Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to lock apps on your iPhone 17 Pro Max with screen time and Face ID. So actually it's very nice to lock your applications in Face ID if you want to hand your iPhone to somebody, for example to call or to use it for a moment, and you don't want them to access your data. To do so, you have to first add your Face ID, and then hold your finger on the preferred application. Let it be, for example, Journal. Here, if you hold your finger on the application, you'll see Require Face ID and tap Require Face ID. Now you have to scan your face to have it enabled. As you can see, my head went in the camera, but it's because I needed to scan my face. Now our Face ID is set up for the journal. If I tap that, as you can see, Face ID required to open journal. To disable this lock, we have to hold our finger on the application once again, tap Don't require Face ID, and scan our face back again. But now we have to move to the screen time. We have to go straight to the settings over here, and now we have to scroll down to screen time over here. Now scroll down to the content and privacy restrictions, tap on allowed apps and features, and now you can disable the applications that you want to disable actually using this switch. Apart from that, we can go back and go back again, so go up and set the time limit for applications. Enable the app limit, tap add limit, and now to lock the application, you just have to set the minimum time and select the application. For example, let it be Pinterest. Next, here 0 hours, 1 minute or 0 minutes. Tap it, and here 0 seconds every day. And we can disable the app limit using this switch or enable it back again using this switch. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.